West Jefferson is a town that really holds true to their values. And that's one of the things that we do here at Boondocks.
The whole concept of Boondocks dropped into my head in '83, and as the years went on and I got into home brewing a little bit more seriously, that was actually the name of my home brew. We started off with a 10-gallon brewing system, and now we're brewing upwards of 150 gallons at a time. We do not distribute. Everything that we do for our locals. You have to come here in order to get it.
The majority of our clientele will be our locals, so we want to make sure our menu caters to them directly. We typically change our menu quarterly. We try to involve as much of our local ingredients as we can.
We've always been known for our chicken wings.
We've got our dry rub wings. We also have our mild and our hot, all Texas beef.
Now we're using the House Autry Texas Pete breader on our fish tacos. Those are extremely popular. Texas Pete is a part of me, and just growing up with it, the consistency of the product, it resonates with us. It resonates with our guests. I have always wanted to do a beer with Texas Pete, so I reached out to the folks in Winston-Salem and was really surprised at the enthusiasm they showed. So we came up with a recipe for our Texas Pete chocolate porter. The first 90 gallons that we brewed, we sold out in a week. When we're looking at the ingredients that we're going to put in a beer, quality is paramount. We've really enjoyed working with the Texas Pete product because we know what we're going to get. When you have people that are enjoying a good meal, they're enjoying good company, good friendship, good fellowship, good beer, and you know that you're playing a big part of that, that really keeps us moving forward.